With more than 170,000 newly baptised members and tens of thousands more in Bible studies after P&G for Christ 2024, the Seventh-day Adventist Church in Papua New Guinea was facing a very exciting crisis. In last year's Camp Mission Offering Appeal, we invited you to open your hearts and give $400,000 to urgently expand the Omora School of Ministry to train more pastors, train and empower senior elders, and run life skills trainings for new members. Thank you for your kind generosity. You gave more than $600,000 and the work is powering ahead. Classrooms and dormitories are under construction. Tens of thousands have attended practical life skills training camps, and thousands of church elders are being trained in every mission of P&G. This year, we have an incredible opportunity to expand this impact even further through the Fulton Chapel project in Fiji.
My name is Ronald Stone, and I'm the leading seven here at Fulton Adventist University College. We here at Fulton, we prioritize spirituality. We are blessed by God. We had a total enrollment of 1,307 this year.
My experience at Fulton has been amazing. This is like a missional hub to the Pacific. I've experienced the amount of impact that Fulton has had on our lives.
Fulton is spiritual, I'd say. So we have prayer meetings every Wednesday, and during the rest of the week, we have worship in the dorms, the Vespers on Friday, and of course on Sabbath as well. It really helps the students and mostly non-believers. When they hear, they get to hear the truth.
We prioritize spirituality because when the spirituality is high, everything else will be fine. But we have a big problem. We don't have a proper place for worship.
Everyone wants to go to church on Sabbath because there's a special place for them. But here, there's nothing like that. For us, a great need is a church.
But since the new Fulton has been established in 2014, we've all been worshiping at the MPC, but it's not really a sacred ground because everything and anything happens there.
We believe having a proper place for worship contributes significantly to the growth and the spiritual growth of our community.
Everyone is invited. So we have students and the deans, the lecturers, they all come and we all worship together at the hall.
All spiritual activities of the church are held in the hall, and the chairs are collected, and then games are happening there.
And because of that, we are in desperate need of a proper place for worship. And this place of worship is not just for worship alone. We also use this as a missionary training ground for the people here in the Pacific. This project here also includes a clinic or wellness hub for the 10,000 officers.
I think it'll make more missionaries, more disciples that will be willing to make more disciples. Just an expansion of God's kingdom, and that's all we really want here in Fulton.
You have done a lot for Fulton in the past, and we are asking you to continue to support us in this endeavor. Thank you.
Please give generously today to help Fulton build God's house of worship, a wellness hub and a vibrant missionary training centre for the whole Pacific.